So did you know that you can add your RHB debit card to your Apple Wallet in your iPhone? And with that, I'm going to show you how to add this debit card to your Apple Wallet. So to add the debit card to your Apple Wallet, open the Wallet app, and then here you see all the cards that have been added to the Apple Wallet. Now to add this RHB debit card, tap the plus button on the top right, and then there are a few options here. So go to debit or credit card, and then here tap continue. So there are two options here. You can hold the iPhone near the chip on the card to add it to the wallet, or you can add the card details manually. So we're going to hold the iPhone near the card. So you see here that adding the card and Apple is contacting the card issuer. So then you have to verify and complete your card information, your name and security code. This is the name that you register for your debit card, and the security code can be found at the back of your debit card. For Visa card, it's a 3-digit number. For Amex card, it's a 4-digit number that's usually found on the front of the card. Then tap next, and then there are terms and conditions here. Tap agree at the bottom, and then now it's adding to the wallet. And then you need to verify your card with Apple Wallet. So there are 3 options here. You can verify with the RHB mobile banking app, by text message, or a call from RHB Bank. So choose the option that you prefer. So then you can set your card as the default card in Apple Wallet. This card will be automatically selected when you use Apple Pay. If not, you can tap Not Now at the bottom. And there we have it, RHB Bank in our Apple Wallet. So now with the RHB debit card in your Apple Wallet, you can easily scan and pay for your items, whether at the retail store or online. In addition to the RHB debit card, you can also add other cards into the Apple Wallet, and bank credit cards, HSBC cards, Maybank debit and credit cards, Standard Chartered credit cards, and RHB debit and credit cards, and also Wise multi-currency travel card, and also IKEA family card, and membership cards like Onyx Reward in your Apple Wallet. I also did other videos on adding other cards in the Apple Wallet. I'll put the links above and in the description below. And with that, if you found value from today's tutorial, hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more videos like this in investing, finance, real estate, and home and living. And with that, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.